So to crochet a magic circle, we're going to start with our tail end of our yarn. We're going to grab our hand and we're going to place that tail end between the pinky and the ring finger, like so. Now we're just going to wind our yarn around our fingers in the form of an X. We'll grab this working end and tuck it by the tail. So you have an X. When you flip your hand over, you should see these two parallel bars. So we're going to grab our crochet hook and go under the first strand. We're going to hook our second strand and pull it under while twisting. Now we're going to grab that strand and pull it through a loop. So when we let go, this is what we have. We're going to grab the tail end of our yarn and pull it out of the loop. We'll grab our working yarn, and I'm going to make single crochets into the loop. So we already have a chain here, so I'm simply just going to single crochet into the loop around both of these strands. You can make half double crochets, double crochets, whatever your pattern calls for. So we're just going to work a bunch of single crochets into the loop. And if you find it's hard to hold on to, you can make your loop a little bit smaller by pulling on this tail. So once you have your desired number of stitches, we're going to grab our tail and we're going to pull our loop closed. Now to finish off the magic circle, we just slip stitch into the first stitch we made. And that's your crocheted magic circle. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and you have a great day.